Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Device section. Now click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. Oops, sorry, misclick. In my case, Sunny. When you are finished, to save your changes, hit Save in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!